Look at that tire. I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it, man.
Like,
well, I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
no, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have a stay away over protection with him, dude.
Right.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming.
All right.
Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself.
Miles, dude. Miles, stop, dude. Yeah, I'm telling you, fuck.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
All right, stop. Let me go.
What? You
Corey, stop. Dude, stop, Miles.
Can you just let me stand up? I'm not.
Short 28, 34 shots fired, 34 quick run. Garrett help.
They got Bodycam. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. I can't do it.
No, dude.
I called
Boy,
down.
can you stand me up?
You're shot. I gotta help you.
No. Stop. Stop.
Wow, roll over, dude. I gotta help you.
Okay, just let me stand up.
Nope.
I'll roll over and help me stand up. You back
You
up.
can't hit me in the head with a freaking seat pipe, dude. Natalie, you have to turn over.
Wow, roll over.
Hey,
I gotta help you. Roll over.
roll over, dude.
Stop. Lay down.
Dude, let me stand up.
Lay down. Lay down, dude. Lay down.
No,
Stop.
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 Come on, you know better.
Stop. 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 I'm gonna handcuff you. They're gonna find you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
Okay.
Okay, roll over. Stay good. Okay. Don't want to hurt you, bud.
No, you okay?
100%, dude. You never flashed you with anything.
Alright, stand it up, man. Stop, Corey.
No, stop, dude. Trying to be challenged like that, dude. You gotta see what the hell we got.
That's like.
So I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Alright.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming. Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself. Hey!
What the fuck?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Alright, stop. Let me go. Get the fuck out of here. Stop. Stop.
Control 28, 34 shots fired, 34 quick run. Garrett help.
They got Bodycam. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. Can't do it.
Oh, dude.
I called
Corey,
the
Corey, can you stand me up? You're shot. I gotta help you.
Roll over here, I gotta help you.
Okay, just let me stand up.
No.
I'll roll over and help him stand up. You back up.
Come on, buddy. What are you doing? You okay? Can you stay over here for me?
Let me stand up.
Can you sit here, okay?
Corey, come on, you don't want to.
Stop. Get down, I'm gonna handcuff you. They were gonna send you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
340 patrol. Do we have an ambulance responding?
Okay, roll. Big shot. Don't wanna hurt you, bud.
Are you okay?
100%, dude. Never played you with anything.
All right, stand on, man. Stop, Corey. No, stop, dude.
I'm trying to be as gentle as I can, but you gotta see what the hell's going on.
Male, just tell me to torso.